Hello friends, did you felt like you are confused because of problems and stuck in where to start? A simple method that helps you to solve 80% of your problems by fixing just 20% of the causes. In today's video, I will show you the exact Pareto analysis technique I have used to solve real problems in my workplace, from supply chain issues to customer complaints. Let's see the technique. First, we will see the basic of Pareto analysis, which is 20% effort will give 80% result. We can tell vice versa also. 80% impact happening because of 20% causes. Let me explain some real world examples to understand more easy. In our schooling or college days, only 20% of the students will score in distinctions. In our day-to-day life, in our company, 20% of the employees alone will generate 80% of innovative ideas. In our daily works or project, 20% of the task alone will consume 80% of our time. In personal life, we will wear 20% of the clothes at 80% of the time. In our mobile phone, 20% of the apps alone will take 80% of screen time. And 20% of the products contribute 80% of the sales volume in each and every organization. Now hopefully you can understand the thumb rule of Pareto analysis. Alright, we'll go some more deeper. Here is the Pareto analysis output of product return complaints. This graph clearly indicating where we have to work to solve 80% of the problem. Let's say wrong item shipped, product not as described, missing parts. These three written complaint alone eliminated means 80% of the return will be eliminated from our work life. But how I arrived this output? I think you are more curious about this. Let me explain. To explain this, I need to open the analysis work file. Here I have the data dump of written reasons. Here overall 100 complaints are registered. To do the Pareto analysis, first we have to see the unique written reasons, since same reasons occurred again and again multiple times. So first we have to identify the unique values. Second, we have to calculate the instance for each reason, which is nothing but same written reason how many times occurred again and again. After that, we have to calculate the cumulative sum for each written reasons. Then we have to apply the cumulative percentage so that we will get to know the analysis of Pareto for the written reasons. So we'll start the analysis. As I told, first we have to identify the unique values. For that we can use pivot table or else COUNTIF function. Whatever you felt more comfortable, you can use that, since both are going to be give same output. Now I am going to use COUNTIF function. As I told, we have to identify the unique values. For that we have to remove the duplicates. Then we have to select the entire column. We have to go to data. We have to click remove duplicates. Then click OK. Here you can see all duplicates values were removed and we have only 10 unique values. As I told, now we have to calculate the instance for each written reasons, which is nothing but how many times same reason occurred again and again. For that I am going to use COUNTIF function. So first we have to select the range and criteria. So wrong item shipped occurred 31 times. We'll cross check with the data whether the formula working correct or not. So we'll filter wrong item shipped alone complaint. By selecting of entire data, we can able to see the count at right bottom. So here 31 counts are there. In our formula also the output is 31. So formula is working accurately. Now we will apply the formula to another reasons also. So overall instance were coming as 100. So number of returns also 100. So both are matched. Our formula working fine. We will put the headline for that column as instance of return. After that we have to sort the two columns, sort these two columns in descending order of return. For that we have to use sort function and we have to select the instance of return. So cell values to be sort in the order of largest to smallest. That's all. Now entire values were sorted in descending order. Now we have to calculate the cumulative sum of each return cases. For that we have to select first value as it is for first column. For second row, second cell onwards, we have to add past value along with current value. And we have to drag it down till wherever we require. Here we have to cross check one thing without fail, which is cumulative is 100 as number of complaints also 100. These both numbers should be matched. Then only our analysis will work correctly. Now we have to apply the cumulative percentage. For that we have to divide the cumulative sum divided by overall complaints. Here we have to change the format as percentage. Then drag it down till last row. Here also last value should be 100%. This also we have to ensure. Now you can see first three complaints alone 80% complaints generating, which is first three return reasons alone generated 80% of the returns. If you are worked to eliminate these three issues, you will resolve 80% of the returns, which is more impact and powerful. Hopefully you understand the Pareto analysis thoroughly. Here also you can see one more thing. Total complaints is 10 numbers. But 80% impact happened because of 3 complaints. So 3 divided by overall 10, which is nothing but 30%. Here 30% of the causes resulting 80% of the impact. But Pareto analysis thumb rule is 20% of the causes will impact 80% of the impact. 20% of the combat lead to 80% of the impact. Always this 20 and 80 will not match accurately. It will be come with some more values. Let's say sometimes it will come as a 15%. Causes will result to 80-90% of the reasons. Might be 30-35% impacts will resulted into 80-70 or 90% of the downtime or whatever may be. So here we could not take 80-20 accurately. It will be fluctuate. between 15 to 35, for impact around 75 to 95. So we have to pick the number of complaints wisely to get the more powerful impact. Hopefully you understand the entire Pareto analysis to solve the real life problems. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to learn more powerful techniques. Thank you for watching.